These AI tools are helping ordinary people make extraordinary money in 2025, and most of them are free to use. Let me show you how people are cashing in, with zero coding, no experience, and no need to show their face. Top 5 AI tools. 1. OpusClip. This tool turns long videos into viral short-form content in seconds. Creators use it to pump out TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts that rack up views, all on autopilot. 2. Claude 3. A powerful chat GPT alternative. Great for writing sales copy, newsletters, even entire ebooks. Freelancers are using it to deliver client work 3 times faster and double their profits. 3. Midjourney Leonardo AI. These generate stunning images in seconds. People are creating and selling digital art, t-shirt designs, and even entire brands using nothing but prompts. 4. Pictory.ai. Perfect for faceless channels like this one. Paste your script, pick visuals, and you've got a finished video, complete with voice and subtitles in minutes. 5. Make.com Zapier. Automation kings. Entrepreneurs are using these to connect AI tools together and build fully automated online businesses, from lead gen to email follow-ups. This is just the surface. Subscribe for more tools, side hustles, and AI systems to help you automate your income in 2025. No fluff, just results.